Every single day, our magnificent Earth is enveloped in a steady stream of energy emanating from the Sun. This immense source of power does more than simply warm our planet. It ignites the spark of life itself, illuminating our days and sustaining the intricate ecosystems we cherish. However, the Sun is not always a gentle giant. Occasionally, it unleashes cataclysmic storms, intense bursts of energy, and particles racing through the cosmos at incredible speeds. This captivating phenomenon is what scientists refer to as space weather. You might be surprised to learn that these cosmic tempests possess the potential to disrupt satellites, jolt power grids into chaos, and transform our night skies into mesmerizing canvases painted with radiant auroras. Now, let's set the record straight. Space weather is not your typical meteorological forecast involving rain, snow, or thunderstorms. Instead, it is the intricate interaction between the Sun's activity and the Earth's magnetic field, as well as its atmosphere. Imagine it as a series of celestial tempests unfolding in the solar system. These cosmic storms are often triggered by solar flares and coronal mass ejections, massive eruptions of plasma that thrust streams of solar wind hurtling through space at nearly 1,000,000 miles per hour, creating a stunning natural spectacle and, at times, serious disruptions here on Earth. When the Sun erupts with a brilliant solar flare, it's akin to a colossal flashbulb firing off an intense burst of radiation. In mere moments, these radiant explosions can disturb radio communications and other electronic signals that we rely on daily. The excitement amplifies with coronal mass ejections, which are enormous clouds of charged particles launched into the void. These particles collide with Earth's protective magnetic shield, generating magnetic storms that send ripples through our planet's intricate technological systems. So why should this cosmic phenomenon matter to us? The reality is that our modern world is deeply intertwined with technology that is incredibly vulnerable to the whims of space weather. Satellites, those invaluable technological marvels orbiting our planet, can suffer permanent damage from these solar events. GPS signals, our guiding stars in navigation, may become erratic or unreliable. Astronauts residing in the International Space Station navigate a precarious dance with radiation risks during these intense solar occurrences. And what about life on Earth? The sheer force of a geomagnetic storm can threaten to overload our power grids, leading to catastrophic failures, reminiscent of the infamous blackout in Quebec in 1989, when millions of residents were plunged into darkness in a mere 90 seconds. But let's not forget that space weather isn't solely about peril and upheaval. There's a spectacular side to this cosmic interplay as well. When solar particles come into contact with the gases swirling in Earth's atmosphere, they conjure up dazzling displays of light, the awe-inspiring aurora borealis in the northern hemisphere and the breathtaking aurora australis in the southern skies. These enchanting natural light shows stand as some of the most visually stunning phenomena on our planet, serving as radiant reminders of the powerful connection between Earth and our dynamic Sun. As we delve deeper into this celestial realm, organizations such as NASA and other global space agencies are maintaining a vigilant watch on the Sun. The solar cycle, a repeating 11-year rhythm of solar activity, is approaching its peak in the next few years, which could lead to an increase in both the strength and frequency of solar storms. To protect astronauts, satellites, and the vital power systems we depend on every day, scientists are busy developing advanced forecasting tools, akin to space weather reports, to better prepare for the potential impacts of these cosmic disturbances. Though space weather may seem like a distant phenomenon, it has a profound influence on our everyday lives. From the internet we rely on for connection to the electricity that brightens our homes and warms our hearts. Above us, powerful storms are brewing in the vast expanse of space, and making strides to predict and prepare for them is one of science's most exciting and critical frontiers. So, as we look to the skies, let's marvel at the intricate dance between the Earth and the Sun, and remain curious about the wonders lurking just beyond our atmosphere.